GK410 keys metal panel mechanical keyboard RGB light green black T-axis E. GK410 keys metal panel mechanical keyboard RGB light green black T-axis esports full non-impact game computer keyboard review. The GK410 is a 104-key mechanical keyboard with a metal panel and RGB lighting. It is available in two switch types, light green and black T. The light green switch is a tactile switch with a 50 grams actuation force, while the black T switch is a linear switch with a 45 grams actuation force. The GK410 has a full non-impact design, which means that it does not use a traditional mechanical switch. Instead, it uses a magnetic reed switch that is activated by a magnetic reed. This design eliminates the need for a debounce delay, which can improve the responsiveness of the keyboard. The GK410 also has a hot swappable design, which means that you can easily swap out the switches without having to solder. This is a great feature for people who want to try different switch types or who want to customize their keyboard. The GK410 is a great choice for gamers or anyone who wants a high-quality mechanical keyboard. It is well built, has a comfortable typing feel, and offers excellent performance. Pros: *104-key layout, *metal panel construction, *RGB backlighting, *hot swappable switches, *2 switch types, light green and black T, detachable USB Type-C cable, available in black and white. Cons: no dedicated media keys, pricey. Overall, the GK410 is a great choice for gamers or anyone who wants a high-quality mechanical keyboard. It is well built, has a comfortable typing feel, and offers excellent performance. However, it is a bit pricey, so it may not be the best option for budget-minded shoppers.